Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect an existing account in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our pins and interests. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we scroll down and under the login section we find add account, and then we tap on connect existing account. And here we just have to type on the email address that the existing account is linked to, and then follow the steps that the app is going to show us, thereby adding a new account to our accounts list. And afterwards we can just switch between these users very easily and very quickly. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.